Hi! If you tried using ChatGPT to make video prompts but didn't get great result, you're not the only one. In this video I'll show you the way most people use ChatGPT and then share a better method I've come up with. It makes writing prompts much easier and give you a way better result. I'll show you both side by side so you can clearly see what works and why. Let's jump in. I already have it set up ready. A beautiful woman and office background. Now let's see what happens when we ask ChatGPT to help us with a simple task. For example, let's write something like, "Hi, can you generate a woman walks towards the camera?" And let's give additional image. Yeah, we want to have additional image, of course. And let's see. And the ChatGPT generate a prompt like, okay, but so many details. Okay, let's use it. Let's use it. So many details, but let's use it. First of all, you need to know that Runway actually supports a variety of ways to guide the AI. So you can control how the camera moves, how people behave, even where the subject should look. But most people, even ChatGPT, by default, don't take full advantage of that. And to resolve this problem, I built a system algorithm that uses smart agents and a few other tricks to create much better prompts for video generation. So it's a Telegram bot, very simple. You can use it like really ChatGPT. Just make a copy. Let's use the same prompt and send image with a prompt to my algorithm. It takes some time and we have some prompt. Let's use it. You see the difference? First of all, it's use lens instead of camera. It use a really good words like directly, into it, sits on the floor. It's very important because I didn't set like sit on the table or on chair or something else. I really just said sit on the seat. Like, yeah, you see that for looks directly, then turns around and sit down. Like, no additional information. It's okay to understand that just sit on the floor. But let's see what ChatGPT generate. Okay, woman is walks towards the camera down. Okay, turn around and sit on the chair. But why? Why? I didn't ask for this. So that's a problem with ChatGPT. Like, you need to regenerate a lot of times because ChatGPT, first of all, add really bad information sometimes. And the second one, ChatGPT doesn't know algorithm of Runway. So doesn't know official documentation or don't use it. And doesn't know best practices across the web to grab the prompts. So that's a problem. And if you will wait some seconds, we will understand that my prompt do better work. Like, woman and sit down. Yeah. Yeah, is that what I need? Yeah. Go and sit down. And turn. Like, turn not for all. Just turn. Yeah. Is that what I need? Yeah, perfect. Perfect. So that's why I think that you need to use it. Because you not need to learn the docs. You not need to guess what to write. You just need Telegram. That's all. And the bot does it all for you. So use this Telegram bot. I'll give you a link for it. And you will make a better videos. Like on a high level. So thank you for attention.